Hi guys. Okay, is it cutting out any at all?
No.
Okay, we should be able to record this. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Should work. Yes, it did work.
I'll be Bass.
I'll be Megman. Push start. Okay, so this is fireboy116 versus Blizzardrulez in Mega Man Online match, or Mega Man 2-player mode. Mega Man 7. Die. Away. Turn around, Mega Man. Ah, ouch. Don't. Ah, you're killing me.
Well,
Lag.
yeah, do the Aggie dance.
Can I jump on your head? What would happen if I jumped on your head? Push you around and kill you. What the freak? How did you do that kicky thing? How did you kick? I demand it.
Easily, haha. But I'm not telling you.
Okay, hold on.
And don't look at the comments about one video. Don't.
What?
Just don't look at the comments.
Fine then. Okay. Die. Ow. Move out of my way. Run away. Can I charge up my shot? Yes, I can. Just run away and shoot. Why are you? How are you kicking?
Easily, haha.
Another. Oh, I just did a special move. I'm just gonna tap buttons. What the freak?
Okay. I don't know what that was.
Okay, this. I need to stop. Ouch! What the freak?
Boot to the head. Or chest or whatever it was. Whee!
Die, 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 die.
Nah.
Hey, look, it's playing a different song.
Yes, it is. Now time to die. It's your dead song.
I'm just gonna stand up. I'm just gonna stand up here, try to figure out how to do a special move.
Too bad, ma.
Die. Special move activate, please. Is there like a list of something in here?
And don't look at the comments or else I'll kill you.
Stop. Dog. 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 The dog's doing something. Die. Run away. Don't kick me. Don't kick me.
Boot to the head.
Just because you know how to do special moves and I don't doesn't mean you die. Can you charge up your laser?
I don't know how to.
I think Mega Man and Bass have different controls. Like Bass is slower, but when I was testing this out before the recording, I noticed that he could jump higher.
Yes, he can. All but there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Die.
No.
Just gonna go up
Don't
here.
die, Fast, don't die.
Just gonna stay up here, charge up my laser, and shoot you, and then go back up, and I win.
One more battle.
I could do the slide dance, but I can't slide in 2-player mode for some odd reason.
No dancing for you.
Away. Ouch. Ah, don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Okay, I won't heal you. I'll just kill you instead. Get down here.
Buttons pushing. What the freak?
Die.
I can do that. Get away from me. Get away from me. No, 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 no. Stop it, stop it, stop it. No.
Die, Mega Man, die.
Why do you hate me?
Because it's fun.
I'm gonna be Bass this time.
I'll be Mega Man.
Hey, look, you're red. For some odd reason. Hey, look, boss fight music playing. Oh. You know what I would have wanted? Ow, how did you do that? How did you kick?
I know how to.
How did you kick? Stop it, I could never do that move.
Spam.
Fast can charge up his laser, stop it! Stop it! Why do you hate me?
Me cheat, Mega Man, me cheat.
Maybe it's down, up, down, left, right, start, select. Ow, I don't know the contra code. Away.
Ah, stated.
You're using the cheapest move in the game and spamming the special move, and when I don't know how to use it.
Ha ha ha. And I never even played Mega Man 7 before. But whatever you do not read the comments of that J-Man's video. Just don't.
Why?
Group.
Oh, does it show off this? Does it tell you how to do the special moves?
No, no one said that. No one said how to do it.
I knew it. I knew it.
No, you don't. Stay away. Stay away from the comments.
I'm just gonna rapidly tap buttons and see what
How
happens.
did you do that anyway?
I don't know. I just keep rapidly tapping buttons. What the freak?
Oh, wow. Do that again.
I'm just rapidly tapping buttons and not knowing what I'm doing.
Oh, I think I did it.
All buttons at once. Fine, I'm just gonna try to kill you the normal way. Look at Bash, he's standing there, he thinks he's cool. Oh yeah, what's up?
Do a special, Mega Man. Do a special, or else I'll kill you. Fine.
Haha, I avoided. You should play Mega Man 7, it's a good game. I did a Let's Play on it.
I know.
And J-Man did too. And
Oh,
no.
you can't slide. Haha.
How do you slide?
I don't know. I never played this game before, so I don't even know the controls.
It's supposed
I randomly pressed buttons like down and left and stuff, then jumping and firing and stuff, and then it did it.
It's supposed to be down jump.
Haha, I cut your crotch off. Whee!
Why do you hate me?
Because it's fun.
Okay, well that's all the time that we have for today. See y'all next time when I know how to do the special moves. Rematch!
Okay.
Wait, not the freaking Camp Studio thing. There.